Hey, are you feeling stuck? Not good enough, frustrated, left behind, uncreative, or bored with your work? Maybe you're not finding the success you're after, or maybe you're nowhere near finding the thing that gets you up in the morning. Maybe you don't have time or equipment. Maybe it's circumstances. Maybe you're scared of making average stuff and the pressure you put on yourself is far too great. Or you need to do stuff that makes money. Or maybe you're just a world-class procrastinator. I know how this feels. You feel like you want to master something, or you want to be a kid again and create and have fun without the fear of messing up or being wrong, or to begin making work that brings you success and recognition and joy. Or you want to find that something that makes your eyes light up, that makes you smile, that makes your imagination come alive. One way of addressing all these things I've mentioned is to start a 100-day project. I love 100-day projects, and in this class, I'm going to help you plan out your own awesome 100-day project that will accelerate your creative growth. My name is Rich Armstrong. I design, animate, doodle, and code. And in this class, I cover what a 100-day project is, what the benefits are, and how to choose a project that works for you. Choosing a project is where we'll spend most of our time, but I'll also cover often asked questions, some inspirational projects and ideas, and a bunch of hints and tips for starting and completing your awesome 100-day project. So, if you're keen for explosive creative growth and want a structured way of achieving it, come take this class. You can find it on taptapkaboom.com.